zucchini nut. Is this the one I opened? Yeah. Is it on? Yeah.
Hello.
Are you gonna get one?
No, I'm gonna.
Stop it!
I'm gonna eat some of your granny.
Get on my house!
Ooh, zucchini nut muffin. Definitely having one of those. Look at this shit.
They're so dank. Oh my god. The camera's on, you know that, right?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Cool. Here we go. Oh, it was the snappy thing. Woo. Uh-oh.
5-second rule. Do you have sandwich bags?
Yeah. Why is Steph listening to food? I'm not like peeking out in front of the camera. One of these videos I'm gonna be like.
Oh wait, are you sitting here?
No.
You're shy.
Can you see both of us?
Yeah.
Alright, that's enough. Get out of here, you little shitter.
Where's that sugar?
I mean, yeah, sugar and vanilla. The clear thing. It's sugar! Why would we have a big salt dispenser?
Because you're weird. You put a lot in it. You want it to be sweet.
Well, this thing is so much. Definitely not using that.
That's enough.
Oh. Oops, sorry, that was salt. We are weird.
Where's the vanilla? Do you have vanilla?
But
What do I do
now? Tabasco? Yeah. She keeps it up here. That's right.
You want one?
Don't put a lot in.
I know you put like a baby dot, don't you?
Not even that much.
I'm not gonna fill the whole thing up.
Nice.
Is it syrupy? That much? Or less than that?
Less than that. Just like one drop. A little bit of that goes a long way.
That's not enough. You're supposed to put a lot of vanilla in, that's enough.
Enough! Don't touch me like that.
Put an Oreo in there. Cookies and cream ice cream. Oh yeah. Oh my god, different flavors for the ice cream factory. Next time we can make strawberry ice cream.
On the next episode.
Wanna be Martha. JK. Yeah, right.
The real world. Because real world? Yeah, bullshit. You know they're all smoking, they just don't want it to show. Because this is MTV. You shut up.
JK. There's someone here.
shit, so good.
I'm gonna mix it up.
Yeah. Gotta shake you off. Oh, wait, how does it go?
Shake it off.
Don't stop.